Hey guys, welcome back. So I hope you guys are doing good and healthy. So today video is on a special request by one of our subscribers. So most of the people who shift from Android to iOS devices are always complaining about locking their apps. So in this video I will share a very easy method that will help you lock apps on your iPhone. There are many applications like WhatsApp that comes with a built-in feature and you can even lock them on an iPhone. But this doesn't hold for all the applications. So now let's say I want to lock my photo gallery, or let's say camera. How do I do that on an iPhone? I cannot. So in this video, I will share a very easy tutorial that will help you lock any application by just using an app called Shortcuts. So let's proceed. Just go to the Shortcuts app and under Automation, click on New Automation. Now click on App, change the Run After Confirmation toggle to Run Immediately. Now click on Choose and select the apps that you want to lock. In my case, I am selecting Camera and Photos app. Once done, click on Next. Now click on New Blank Automation and in the search bar type lock screen and click on it. And you are done. Now close the Shortcuts app and try to open your camera. As soon as you open the camera, your phone will automatically lock itself and you will need a passcode to unlock it and use the camera. And same thing will happen with the Photos app. Now if you want to add or remove applications, open the Shortcuts app again and click on the When toggle. You can add or remove any number of apps from here. To delete this automation, tap and hold the automation and swipe it to the left. Now you can even delete it. So now you will be able to easily lock any of your applications unless someone knows your phone passcode. They can be anybody like your family member. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Do share your valuable feedback, and if you want any tutorial, drop them in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.